This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: what is a proteasome? Answer: a proteasome is a barrel-shaped protein complex that degrades ubiquitin-tagged proteins. Question: how does the proteasome work? Answer: the proteasome works by degrading ubiquitin-tagged proteins. Question: what is the relationship between the ubiquitin-proteasome system and Parkinson disease? Answer: defects in the ubiquitin-proteasome system have been implicated in some cases of Parkinson disease. Question: can you describe the shape of a proteasome? Answer: a proteasome is barrel-shaped. Question: what type of proteins does a proteasome degrade? Answer: proteasome degrades ubiquitin-tagged proteins. Question: are there any diseases associated with defects in the ubiquitin-proteasome system? Answer: yes, defects in the ubiquitin-proteasome system have been implicated in some cases of Parkinson's disease. Question: what is the role of proteasome in the cell? Answer: proteasome plays a crucial role in the cell by degrading abnormal or unnecessary proteins, which helps to maintain the proper function of the cell. Question: how does the ubiquitin-proteasome system contributes to Parkinson's disease? Answer: the ubiquitin-proteasome system contributes to Parkinson's disease by not effectively degrading abnormal or unnecessary proteins, which leads to accumulation of toxic proteins in the brain, which is believed to cause the degeneration of dopamine-producing neurons. Question: are there any other diseases that are associated with defects in the ubiquitin-proteasome system? Answer: yes, defects in the ubiquitin-proteasome system have been implicated in several other diseases such as certain types of cancer, muscular dystrophy, and Alzheimer's disease. Question: are there any drugs that target the ubiquitin-proteasome system? Answer: yes, there are drugs such as bortezomib and carfilzomib that target the ubiquitin-proteasome system. These drugs are used to treat certain types of cancer by inhibiting the proteasome's activity. Question: are there any other proteins that are degraded by proteasome? Answer: proteasome can degrade other types of proteins besides ubiquitin-tagged proteins, but the specific proteins that are targeted depend on the type of proteasome and the cell's needs. Question: is the proteasome found in all cells? Answer: proteasome is found in all eukaryotic cells. Question: can you explain the process of how the proteasome degrades ubiquitin-tagged proteins? Answer: the process begins with the attachment of ubiquitin molecules to a protein, which acts as a signal for the protein to be degraded. The proteasome then recognizes and binds to the ubiquitin-tagged protein, and then uses its enzymatic activity to break down the protein into smaller peptides. These peptides are then further degraded by other cellular enzymes.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.